Okay, 2016 Jeep Wrangler. My buddy bought these Recon lights. They're white. He's got to have white for whatever reason. Did you turn them off?
No.
They went off.
I don't go to none of them.
Everything went off.
I guess put the keys out.
Okay, anyway. Recon lights. $100 for these garbage. You're supposed to add resistors because you spend $100 for a piece of garbage that doesn't have resistors. My buddy couldn't get them to work. He tapped into his Jeep wiring harness, which I think was a bad idea. And this is for your turn signal. The center one is for your marker light. The black is your ground. So marker light's on. You have to put the resistor in, but look what happens when I ground the resistor. That quits working. Oh wait, turn the turn signal on. Alright, it works, right? Wait for it. Starts blinking fast. Ground this. It starts blinking right, but the marker light goes out. Is that not some stupid garbage?
Hey, why is it blinking normal now?
Because I got the resistor grounded, but the marker light's gone. And you take it off, marker light works, but it blinks fast. Is that not some $100 garbage?